Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we will show you how the EPS cutting line supports both 630mm and 1220mm heights of EPS block. We modified the framework design of the vertical cutting station so that the EPS cutting line supports two heights of the EPS block: height 630mm, height 1220mm. To better illustrate how to achieve the two heights, in this video, we display the 1220mm height EPS cutting line on the 3D drawing. To achieve the 630mm height of the EPS block, it is very simple. Just remove the 8 legs corresponding to the 590mm height, and the overall height of the second phase cutting flame will be reduced. In the current design, the guard bar has been taken into consideration, and the position of the guard bar can be moved up. Installation positions have been reserved on the framework. Preconditions. The cutting width of the cutting line is fixed at 1000 millimeters. Only one of the two heights can be selected and cannot be switched at any time. The height is 630 millimeters for the first 2 years and will be changed to 1220 millimeters after 2 years. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions.